Humans have always wondered about exploring space and other planets. Not all humans live on Earth. Since 2000, a handful of humans have continuously lived aboard the International Space Station, 408 kilometers away from Earth. As we move farther from Earth, a question remains. How does space affect us? Living in space, harsh radiation and microgravity conditions can have adverse effects on our health. Many biological space missions have been set up to better understand these effects. Nanosatellites, especially CubeSats, are commonly used for such missions due to their relatively simple design and low cost. They are powered by solar energy, and they communicate with humans back on Earth through their antenna. Their payload is an actual biological experiment. It contains the cells and materials needed to conduct the experiment. GeneSat-1 was the first mission of its kind to be launched in 2006, and it showed that bacteria in space grew much more slowly than on Earth. O-Aureus was set in orbit in 2010 and revealed that bacteria and archaea grew slowly in space but remained viable and adapted to the harsh conditions. In 2022, BioSentinel will be sent close to the Moon to study the growth, metabolism, and DNA damage of yeast. Our Team SpaceDot will launch the A-CubeSat nanosatellite, which will host the largest biological space mission of its kind to date. A-CubeSat has been uniquely designed to study the effects of space on over 190 different proteins. To do this, we have designed a chip which has hundreds of tiny compartments. Here we have placed yeast cells, which are similar to human cells, and therefore their response will be relevant to our health. When the cells produce the protein of interest, they will fluoresce green. The more protein is produced, the higher the intensity of the fluorescence. While the experiment is carried out in space, an identical experiment will be carried out on Earth to compare how the production of these 190 proteins changes in space. So why are we sending microorganisms in space? To provide answers to space-related health defects and explore yeast's potential as a space cellular factory for production of food and pharmaceuticals. And if it's not fun, why bother?